Hello, and thank you for your interest in Komatsu products. The operator's cab with the new PC650LC-11 is a spacious work environment, providing comfort and functionality. Let's get familiar with the features inside the operator's cab. So with that, let's get started. The spacious operator environment provides comfort and visibility. The front window frame can be raised and locked into place. The lower front window pane can be removed and stored. A sliding window pane is provided on the cab door, and a standard hinged skylight is provided. The Komatsu high-resolution color monitor provides state-of-the-art operator control over machine operations. A rear-view camera displays an image of the work area behind the machine. Touch the F3 function switch and a full screen view will appear. Touch the F4 function switch to indicate the time of day or a service meter reading that indicates engine running hours. Touch the F6 function switch and the operator user menu appears, allowing the operator to customize the machine operation to his preference. Navigate through the monitor screens using the function switches and scroll to the menu item of your choice. We will discuss these menus in a different video that follows this one. The background of the fuel level gauge will change to red when the fuel level is low. The DEF level gauge will also change to red when the level is low. A white background indicates that the DEF is frozen. This is not a problem and will occur when the machine is located in frigid climates. The background of the engine coolant temperature gauge and the hydraulic oil temperature gauge will change to red when the temperature is too high. A white background indicates cold temperatures. Notice the Eco gauge displaying instantaneous fuel consumption. Also notice the average fuel consumption gauge displaying consumption for the past 24 hours. The monitor keypad switches perform more functions. Auto deceleration can be turned on, so that engine RPM reduces automatically when the control levers are not being used. The work mode switch selects power mode for duty cycle work, economy mode for fuel savings, or lifting mode for fine control. The travel speed switch selects low speed or high speed travel. The buzzer stop switch stops the alarm from sounding. The windshield wiper switch actuates the wipers. The windshield washer switch actuates the washer fluid. The blue colored air conditioning switches will regulate the temperature inside the operator's cab. Automatic control, compressor on, off, fan speed control, temperature control, fresh air, recirculated air control, vent control, and off. The adjustable air ride seat allows the operator to position himself for comfortable actuation of the function control levers. Komatsu excavators are equipped with a lock lever that disconnects the control levers whenever the lock lever is down. This prevents accidental actuation of a machine function while entering or exiting the cab. The operator should only raise the lock lever while seated and prepared to operate the machine. The control levers actuate proportional pressure control valves for smooth operation of the work equipment, swing, and travel. The right control lever operates the boom and bucket. The left control lever operates the arm and swing. The left control lever also has a Power Max button to temporarily increase the digging force. The control levers for travel can be actuated by hand or by foot. The operator can actuate the forward travel or reverse. He can steer left or right, or he can counter-rotate. The horn switch is installed on the right control lever. Both an audible and a visual alert will be delivered. The ignition key switch and throttle potentiometer are located on the right side console. The lamp switch is labeled with a sun to indicate day mode and a moon to indicate night mode. Push the switch to night mode and the work lights will illuminate. The monitor screen will also dim. Push the switch to day mode and the work lights will illuminate. The center position of the switch is off. The swing lock switch will engage the swing brake, overriding the normal brake release function. This prevents the revolving frame from swinging. Do not use this switch to stop a swinging machine. The machine push-up switch changes the digging force exerted by the boom. When the switch is in the high-pressure mode, maximum digging force is available. The low-pressure mode makes leveling trenches easier because the boom resistive force will yield with less effort. When the boom shockless switch is engaged, the boom comes to a smoother stop, which adds to operator comfort. The boom may continue to move slightly after the operator has released the control lever. When the switch is disengaged, the feel of the boom stopping will be returned to normal. The radio is located in the console on the left side of the operator's seat. The step light switch can be used when dismounting the machine at night. The step light will illuminate for approximately 60 seconds when the switch is actuated to the on position. The step light will illuminate even if the key switch is off. A secondary engine stop switch is located on the seat stand, near the operator's left foot. It is used to shut down the engine if the ignition key switch fails to stop the engine. Lift the cover in closing the switch, then flip the switch up to stop the engine. Closing the cover will return the switch to its normal position. The fuse panel for protecting the electrical systems is located behind the operator's seat. Occasional failure of fuses is not uncommon. However, if replacement fuses continue to fail, then a greater problem exists and it must be investigated. 3 system cancel switches are located inside the fuse compartment. These switches temporarily override a specified system to allow movement of the machine to an area where service can be rendered. The emergency pump drive switch makes it possible to perform hydraulic control functions when there is a failure in the electronic pump control system. The swing brake cancel switch makes it possible to perform swing operations for a short period of time, even when there is a problem in the swing brake electrical system. The lever lock auto lock cancel switch will temporarily cancel the PPC supply oil auto off feature. The cab lamp is located in the top right corner of the cab, behind the operator's seat. A small hammer is installed behind the operator's seat. Use this to break the window for an emergency exit if the door is jammed shut. The cigarette lighter is located behind and to the right of the operator's seat. 2 12-volt power supplies are located behind and to the left of the operator's seat. A lunchbox with vented HVAC airflow is located behind the operator's seat. A storage box for documents is located behind the operator's seat. An auxiliary port for your iPod or MP3 player is located near the radio to the left of the operator's seat.
This concludes the cab familiarization video. For more information regarding the PC650LC-11, contact your local sales representative or visit KomatsuAmerica.com. Thank you for your interest in Komatsu.